This lockbox comes in a box like this. I figured I'd show you because it's so, the dimensions are so flush that the handle is not installed. So when you pull the box out, I'll pull it out of the box here. As you can see, once we pull it out, you got your instructions inside for how to use the lock, how to change the combo. You've got the handle itself and the tool to screw in the handle. There's the shoulder strap. And then, of course, the organization tray there. This is the combination lock. They do make one for standard padlocks. There's no handles on the side. It's very flush. But if you do need to carry it, it comes with a strap. This handle, you could not install it, I guess, but it'll install by going up from the bottom here, beyond that organizer panel. Hope this helps. And the lid does have a spring on it to open it up. Hope this helps.